welcome to the second episode of What's Cooking at Appscrip. I am Moo and I have some exciting news to share with you. Hey folks, I have here with me Alok, who is the lead developer at Appscrip, and he has been working on an exciting new development. Would you like to share it with us, Alok?
Hi Mr. Moon. I will demonstrate a group calling functionality which we have developed for applications. Stay tuned.
Oh god damn, this client is driving me up the wall, Mr. Monkey. I mean, do you have any idea what it's like to have some guys fist up your... You have a call coming in. Should probably take that.
What a boring afternoon. There's nothing that can make this afternoon better. Oh wait, shopping.
Oh, I got a call. Man, I got rejected by another girl.
Oh, that's so sad.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, I have a group call now, so I gotta go.
Hey, let's check out this cool group calling feature. Can somebody help me activate the feature, please? I don't have fingers. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Hello. Just escaped the worst proposal ever.
Thanks to the group call, I suppose. So, Mr. Moo, why are we on this group call right now?
Hey guys, what better way than to check out with you guys this cool group calling feature?
This feature seems really smooth, like there is no lag with our voices or the video. What an amazing feature.
Yeah, quite polished product, I must say. So, guys, it was wonderful to connecting with all of you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.